In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall the Lawnchair Launcher. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different ways how we can do this. So the first and easiest way is to locate the Lawnchair app, click and hold it down with your finger, and then click on uninstall. The second method is to go to your Play Store, click on the search, and then type in Lawnchair, hit enter. And then here it is here, Lawnchair. Now we've got the option to uninstall as well. Now the third way is to go ahead and click into settings. Now inside of settings, scroll down. Basically we need to click into apps. Here it is here, it's kind of near the bottom of the screen. Then where it says apps to the right of that, there is a search apps button. So click onto that and then type in Lawnchair. Make sure to spell it correctly. Here it is here, click onto it, and then basically go ahead and click on uninstall, and then it'll say, do you want to uninstall this app? Go ahead and click on OK. Then that's going to remove it from your mobile device.